welcome back to Home Garden Inspiration, your ultimate destination for all things beautiful and green. Today we are exploring 12 serene small front yard garden landscaping designs featuring gorgeous ornamental trees that will completely transform your home's curb appeal. These clever layouts prove that you don't need a massive lawn to create a breathtaking, peaceful entryway. If you love these ideas, please make sure to comment your favorite look, like this video, share it with fellow plant lovers, and subscribe to our channel for weekly inspiration. A delicate Japanese maple acts as the stunning centerpiece for this minimalist, peaceful front yard. Soft moss ground covers and smooth river stones frame the base of the tree, adding rich textures. The partial home facade features softwood panels that blend effortlessly with the natural foliage. A low horizontal slatted timber fence completes the boundary, offering just enough privacy while keeping the look open and inviting. Embrace classic charm by anchoring your small yard with a glossy-leaved dwarf magnolia tree. Surround the base with a lush mix of pastel perennials like lavender and soft pink roses. The clean white stucco of the partial home facade makes the vibrant green and floral colors pop beautifully. A traditional white picket garden fence frames the display, perfectly capturing that timeless cozy cottage aesthetic. Bring a touch of Mediterranean sophistication to a modern facade using a slender, silvery-leafed olive tree. Structured boxwood hedges and neutral gravel beds create clean geometric lines underneath its branches. The crisp architectural lines of the partial home facade emphasize a sleek, upscale vibe. A smooth dark gray concrete garden wall serves as a stark, dramatic backdrop that highlights the tree's unique silhouette. A weeping redbud tree introduces an enchanting cascading form that immediately commands attention in tight spaces. Shade-loving hostas and delicate ferns fill the ground tier with layers of lush green textures. The warm brick accents on the partial home facade ground the entire landscape in traditional warmth. A rustic stone garden wall frames the boundary, making the whole setting feel like a hidden fairy tale nook. Standard hydrangea trees offer a cloud-like explosion of blooms that elevates any compact front walkway. Neatly manicured stone pavers guide guests toward the front entrance through a sea of color. Large glass windows on the partial home facade reflect the stunning white and blue floral clusters. A low wrought iron garden fence adds an elegant touch of security without blocking the view of the blossoms. A bright green-barked thornless Palo Verde tree adds architectural interest and vibrant color to xeric landscapes. Accent plantings like blue agave and ornamental grasses thrive in a bed of clean desert sand. Warm earth tones on the partial home facade harmonize beautifully with the arid-loving flora. A textured sand-colored stucco garden wall cleanly encloses the space, maintaining a seamless southwestern aesthetic. A flowering pink dogwood tree brings spectacular seasonal color and grace to a small suburban lot. Sweet woodruff and layered mulch beds keep the root system cool while providing a clean forest floor appearance. Symmetrical horizontal siding on the partial home facade creates a beautifully structured visual background. A charming dark wood privacy fence borders the yard, enhancing the serene and intimate atmosphere. Maximize bright summer color in a limited area with a brilliantly blooming dwarf crepe myrtle tree. Low-maintenance liraby and colorful annuals flank the sidewalk, creating a vibrant entryway border. Dark accent trim on the partial home facade contrasts sharply with the vivid pink blossoms. A sleek metal and wood composite garden wall provides a highly durable, ultra-modern boundary line. A dwarf flowering cherry tree injects a burst of soft, romantic pink blooms into your morning view. Sea thrift and hardy ornamental grasses line the pathway to handle coastal climates with ease. Crisp, slate blue shake siding on the partial home facade evokes an authentic seaside cottage atmosphere. A weathered gray wooden garden fence outlines the yard, adding beautifully to the relaxed, coastal charm. A striking multi-stem dwarf birch tree adds incredible texture with its peeling paper white bark. Shade-loving autumn ferns and wild ginger create a dense, deeply layered woodland floor look. Large panel windows on the partial home facade perfectly blur the line between indoor comfort and outdoor nature. A dry-stack natural stone garden wall provides a grounded, organic feel to the compact perimeter. A sculptural frangipani tree brings intoxicating fragrances and exotic shapes to a sunny front yard. Broadleaf hostas, bromeliads, and dark volcanic rock mulch create a striking high-contrast ground display. Bright white walls on the partial home facade bounce natural sunlight around to make the space feel larger. A minimal bamboo garden fence frames the front yard, enhancing the relaxed, tropical resort atmosphere. A weeping pussy willow tree brings unique structural cascading branches that look gorgeous in every single season. Low purple heuchera and sweet alyssum provide a stunning carpet of rich contrasting colors underneath. The clean, neutral lines of the partial home facade allow the tree's intricate form to take center stage. We hope these designs inspire your next project, so please comment your thoughts, like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and goodbye until next time.